Introduction. Hello, and welcome to our video about the Smart Wi-Fi Wireless Video Doorbell. Are you tired of missing important deliveries or visitors because you're not always home? Do you want to increase the security of your home and have peace of mind when you're away? Product demonstration. The Smart Wi-Fi Wireless Video Doorbell is the solution for you. It allows you to see and speak with visitors at your front door using your smartphone or tablet, no matter where you are. You can watch a live video feed of your front door from the app on your phone, and also get alerts when someone rings the doorbell. You can also use the two-way audio feature to talk to visitors, which is especially useful if you're not home but need to tell someone to leave a package on your porch. The doorbell also has a wide-angle lens, night vision, and HD video, which makes it easy to see who's at the door, even in low light conditions. Benefits. The Smart Wi-Fi Wireless Video Doorbell offers several benefits, such as increased security. You can always see who is at your door and deter unwanted visitors. Convenience. You can check who is at the door and talk to them, even if you're not home. Peace of mind. You'll never miss a delivery or visitor again and can always know who's at your door. The Smart Wi-Fi Wireless Video Doorbell is easy to set up and use. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use it. 1. Install the doorbell. First, you'll need to install the doorbell by following the manufacturer's instructions. 1. This typically involves mounting the doorbell on the outside of your home and connecting it to your existing doorbell wiring. 2. Download the app. Next, you'll need to download the app for the doorbell on your smartphone or tablet. 2. This app will allow you to see a live video feed of your front door and receive alerts when someone rings the doorbell. 3. Connect to Wi-Fi. Once the doorbell is installed, you'll need to connect it to your home's Wi-Fi network. 3. This can usually be done by following the instructions in the app. 4. Customize settings. Once the doorbell is connected to Wi-Fi, you can customize settings such as motion detection, night vision, and notification preferences. 5. View live video feed. When someone rings the doorbell, you'll receive a notification on your smartphone or tablet. 5. You can then open the app and view a live video feed of your front door. 6. Speak to visitors. You can also use the two-way audio feature to speak to visitors through the doorbell. 7. Recording and playback. You can record the video feed and also can play it later on. 8. Remote access. You can also grant access to other family members or friends to view the live feed and speak with visitors even if you're not home. Overall, the Smart Wi-Fi Wireless Video Doorbell is a user-friendly device that can greatly enhance the security and convenience of your home. Customer testimonials. Don't just take our word for it. Here's what some of our customers have to say. I love my Smart Wi-Fi Wireless Video Doorbell. It's so convenient to be able to see who's at the door, even when I'm not home. The night vision feature is great for when it's dark outside. I can always see who's at the door. The two-way audio feature is a game changer. I can talk to my visitors even when I'm not home. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Smart Wi-Fi Wireless Video Doorbell is a great investment for your home. It increases security, provides convenience, and gives you peace of mind. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your home security and convenience. Call to action. Don't wait any longer. Get your Smart Wi-Fi Wireless Video Doorbell today by visiting our website or clicking on the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.